how to unblock someone from your Facebook account if you have blocked them years ago. So it's a very simple step, so please follow the video till the end. First you need to open your Facebook account, and then from the three lines tap here, and we need to find our settings. So and then in the settings and privacy, tap the settings option, and from here we will find an option called block. So let's find, blocking. This is the option. Just tap the option, and as you can see here, you will find all the persons that you have blocked in your past. So if you want to unblock it, just tap the unblock button, and you will have to wait for the if you blocked out. So and then you just tap the unblock button. So that's how you unblock someone from your Facebook account. Thanks for watching.